guys and welcome back to my channel. So friend, how are you? I hope my YouTube family is fit, fine and healthy. So today's video is all about a review video. Today I'm going to share with you a fragrance brand which is called DOSSIER. DOSSIER is a French-based designer luxury perfume company which recreates designer luxury perfume only at $29. Yes, I don't think $29 you get a good luxury brand perfume, because luxury perfume costs around $300, $400, $500, but only at $29 you are getting a same feeling, same fragrance, same everything only at $29. So what are you waiting for? So let me give you a quick review about these two fragrances. One is perfume and another one is candle. So let me start this video. Let me talk about this brand DOSSIER. So this one is my, I think, fourth video. In earlier video I already shared with you guys there are six fragrances which totally I love with it. I've gifted 4 of them to my family and they really love it, really. Let me share with you this brand. A quick introduction. It's cruelty free, vegan free and 100% alcohol free and 100% natural. Nothing parabens, no artificial color, no. And one thing I like about this brand, that is long lasting and nothing fancy. It comes with this beautiful packaging. You can gift someone like this pink color, light pink color box, and if you open this box, everything is written on it. Like this perfume, this is fruity oak moss and it is iconic scents, designer quality, no marks. Why they sell perfume so only at $29? Because they don't believe into give commission or opening a store or so. Why do you waste your money? So they just give you a pure fragrance without costing, without charging you high amount. So let me give you a quick introduction about this fragrance. DOSSIER is a perfume brand that creates scent inspired by luxury brand only at $29. The fraction of price, 100% vegan, cruelty free, no parabens, alcohol free, so you can smell amazing without comparison your. Is the packaging. All packaging are same for each and every bottle. They comes with a transparent bottle with a magnetic cap. See, and I love this brand because everything is written on it. Their ingredients and they're inspired by. So they are inspired. It comes with a note. Everything is written on it. Like notes, top notes: green apple, bergamot, lemon. Middle notes: peach, rose, ylang-ylang, base notes, and it's inspired by Avenue for her eau de perfume, and concentration 15%. Thank you for choosing us. High inspired fragrance at a fair price. Of course, you are getting $29. In $29 you are getting luxury brand, perfume brand. So you have freedom to explore more scents. Yes. So if you want to buy more in $500, $300, you can purchase at least 4 or 5 scents. So let me try this first. Wow, I really love it. It really smells like, I never tried this Avenue perfume, but really I like this this fragrance because I can smell floral kind of smell, lemon, I don't know, but I really like this fragrance. It's for women. This is for women and everything is written for it. You can see. I think, and its cost is, everything is retail around $59 and its retail price, you must surprise, its retail price is $400. Yes, $400 and you are getting only $60. Huge difference, and I really love this fragrance. Really, I would like to buy one more bottle for my sister, because I'm next month I'm going to India, so definitely I buy one bottle for her. I really love it. Yes, I really like it. If you want to buy this fragrance, you want to buy this perfume, so everything given in description box, kindly check out. And if you are ordering first time from their website, you can get 10% discount, and if you want more discount, you can you can use my code Sonia10. You get another 10% discount, and more discounting offers are given in this website, so you can choose it. And let me give you a review for this candle. I personally think this candle is smaller than I expected. Okay, let's unbox it. So same, it comes with a note. Everything is written on it. It's aromatic star anise notes. Top notes bergamot, pepper star anise, and middle notes lavender, nutmeg, geranium, paste note patchouli, amberwood, and vetiver. Inspired by DOSSIER Savage perfume, and concentration is 14%. So I personally think this is smaller. It could be bit big, no, but yet it's though I'm not using it, but I can smell like flory kind of a smell, lemony. Yes. So in France, it's also cruelty free, vegan free, no paraffin wax. Candle has a total burn time of about 24 hours before all the wax is melted. This is paraben free, no wax, and no vegan, and is cruelty free. So I like this fragrance. It's inspired by DOSSIER, and everything is written on it. So you must buy it if you really like candle smell around in your home. You like your home always smells good, so you must try their fragrances. Hope you enjoyed this video, you like this video. If you want their fragrances, you want to buy, you want to try a few luxury brands in affordable way, you must try their fragrances. I really like it and really love it. So do try. If you like it, you can comment below which perfume you're gonna buy and how do you like their smell. You like it or not, you must comment in comment section. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Love you all.